Would like to welcome to the show Senior Loan Officer with Nova Home Loans, John Bayze. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate the opportunity.
Yes, and with so much experience, wow, over 21 years of experience in the mortgage industry, you've seen a lot of things. Tell me, I know a lot of people are dealing with the fact that in the past they had some credit issues.
That is correct.
Tell me if they had those issues in the past, can they go out and still get a home today?
Absolutely. And what the programs allow us to do is, depending on the situation that happened, and if we can expand on it and get documentation to define it, there are programs that will allow us to do loans within a year of a foreclosure.
Wow.
And a lot of the programs these days will allow us to do, especially on a bankruptcy, 2 years out. Whether it be FHA or USDA, but there's so many programs, and I invite our borrowers and our colleagues and our friends and family to definitely get in touch with us, because where someone else may tell you no, let's look it over. Let's go through all the steps. Let's see what's available to you, and come up with a plan.
And it's very interesting you say that. I know a lot of people out there who just have the mindset that, I don't qualify, so I'm not even going to bother, when they could actually qualify and be buying a home instead of renting. So speaking of that, are there assistance programs out there right now?
Yes, there is. There's some great programs. A lot of times the programs will come and go, but there's always something available. In particular, there's a program out there that you don't even have to be a first-time home buyer. You can actually own a home and still get assistance to purchase it.
Wow.
It is dependent, of course, on income and credit score, but that's what we're here for. Nova Home Loans has a huge credit services department that will assist us in getting your credit scores to where they need to be. When someone else tells you no, we're right there to help you along to make it a yes.
And speaking of income, I know something that a lot of people think about is that down payment. Ingrained in so many of us is that 20%. I need 20% down. Is that true?
No, it is not. The beauty about the programs these days is if we do the Federal Housing Authority, which is the FHA loan, allows us a low down payment of 3.5%. And the down payment assistance that we have today will give you 4% towards down payment and closing cost. It's an amazing program. It's offered by Pima County, Tucson IDA program, and it's available. I mean, there's no limit to how many people you have in the home, whether it's one person or 20 people, the income calculations are identical.
Well, a lot of people that may not know the history of Nova Home Loans, can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. Nova Home Loans is the #1 lender in Tucson. We've been around since 1980. It's hometown banking, at its best. It was founded by Ray Desmond, and we are in 3 different states. I believe it's 19 locations, and we bring it home, and Tucson is where it's at. We're homegrown.
People that are out there looking to get qualified, see if they qualify, see what kind of house they can buy, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
You can either give me a call directly on my cell phone at 520-247-1414, or you can go to my website. It's www.thebayzeteam.com.
So go out there and call John Bayze today, and he will hook you up with, what you can qualify for. Thanks a lot for being on the show.
It's a pleasure, sir. Thank you for inviting me.
Thanks, John.